Hi guys, how's it? Today's another day. We are first and Bible building construction. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us show you what we did here in Cape Town, in New Cross. It's us who did this. Now we are busy with tiling. Check. Mambo ndona mdala. Mambo ndona. Ya tisitakarowa paparo kuti paya ndiri kudai futi pa delft apa. Check guys, we are still busy tiling now. Check guys. And don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, Fast and Reliable Building Construction. This is a storeroom. It's a storeroom, this one. Let us show you this side. This side there is a freezer and also working space Contact us on 0623732521 for more information. This is a working space and this is a freezer. This is a freezer. Check. Do I have a day of the footer?